Donegal singer Enya has not looked back since leaving the family band Clonid. She is a multiple Grammy winner and has sold over 70 million albums, bringing in an estimated fortune of €128 million. This all despite the fact that she has never performed live.
Her music is beautiful. I mean, look at her record sales. The fact that she hasn't played live gigs or what, I don't think takes away from her. I mean, her music is just absolutely mind-blowing.
We must never forget the contribution of people like Enya, because Enya and her brothers and sisters, her siblings, they brought that whole notion of Irish music to a wider audience.
So what has Enya been doing with all this money? She owns a castle in Killiney, County Dublin, and seems to value her privacy, having estimated to spend $500,000 on security for the castle alone.
A neighbour of mine in Killiney for years. She's a beautiful home, and we kind of overlook each other. I haven't seen much of her. I mean, I know she's on the record as saying she's not a recluse. I would love to have seen more of her. She's a gorgeous girl.
She has mystique. She's an enigma, and you know, it fascinates people.
I actually can't imagine Enya sitting at home, you know, slobbing around the house in jeans and a t-shirt or something, going, "Ah, feck it, I've no clean socks," or something.
Often at night time or during the day, be there with my binoculars to say, hopefully I'll see her, because I think she looks gorgeous, but she hasn't come out and waved at me.
So the publicity-shy star may shun the limelight, but she does seem to enjoy the perks of her fortune. She is said to be chauffeur-driven at all times and only buys the best designer clothes.
The only hint that she's there is you'd see this Maybach car being driven around Killiney and Dalkey, but she has a driver, and you might see, you know, just a flash of her sitting in the back.
People ask me about Enya, and I have to say, I always find she's a really lovely lady, as is her family. I mean, she would have come in with her mum and dad, and we would have dressed up her dad, but I have to say, she's a perfect lady.